Tonight on RTE News.
Germs are taking over the school and we don't know how to stop them.
What can we do to stop the spread of germs?
We have a top team of scientists to help.
Science will prevail.
Over the last 2.5 weeks, we have been experimenting how important hand washing is. 2 people experimented and touched the bread, one with washed hands, the other with unwashed hands. A couple other exposed different pieces of bread to different surfaces around the school. We placed the bread in tight Ziploc bags and pinned them on our wall. We waited over 2 weeks for the mold to develop, revealing the results. The bread with the most mold was rubbed on the sole of a shoe. The bread touched with washed hands had no mold on it. Our hypothesis was correct. The only thing that changed were the surfaces the breads were exposed to. In conclusion, we have proof that washing your hands will never spread germs.
To further our findings on washed hands and germs, this is an experiment on how soap or clean hands repels germs. Soap has a compound called lipids that repels germs.
Imagine germs as tiny slippery creatures that like to stick to our hands. Soap is like a superhero for our hands because it has 2 superpowers.
Soap is slippery. Soap makes our hands super slippery. So when we rub our hands together with soap, the germs find it hard to hold on, just like when you try to hold onto a slippery slide at the playground. Soap breaks germs apart. Soap is like a magic potion that can break germs into tiny pieces, making them weak and unable to harm us. It's like taking apart a puzzle, and once they're in pieces, they can't hurt us anymore.
So when we use soap and water to wash our hands, we make it really tough for germs to stay on our hands. That's how we stay clean and healthy. Remember, washing your hands is like a secret weapon against germs.
So what is happening?
The lipids in the dish soap are repelling all the pepper, which is representing the germs.
On reflection, we learned that washing hands prevents germs from spreading. We learned to take off your shoes when inside a house.
We learned that germs can be anywhere.